In this video, I will show you how to create a Discord channel. Now, to make a channel on Discord, you need first to go to your server home screen and tap either text or voice channel to start adding a channel. You can also go to your server profile and start creating a channel from there. And on this next screen, you need to enter your channel name, then also select your channel type and choose between a private and public channel. The next thing is to tap this check mark and your Discord channel will be ready. And if you tap this profile button, you can go on to invite members to your channel. You can also go to your channel settings and edit your channel and make other settings. And on this chat screen, you can tap this button below here to access the editing screen, where you can also add your channel topic. And you can always enter your messages down here. And to send gifts, you need first to buy them at the Nitro gifting. And if you want to search for something on your channel, you can do so on your channel profile. In addition, you can always go to your members' profiles and manage the activities on your channel. And to delete your Discord channel, you need to go to your channel settings, then tap these three dots and then delete your channel. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it. And if you want to grow and succeed on Discord and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.